Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of transferring tuition credits to your spouse or common law partner. But first, let's understand why you might want to do this. These non-refundable credits can help reduce your tax liability. If one spouse doesn't have enough income to fully utilize these credits, transferring them to the other spouse, who has more taxable income, can maximize their benefits. Let's start by logging into your TaxTron Web account. Once you're logged in, open a new return, and before we proceed, make sure you've filled out the personal information section under identification. Make sure to answer yes to the question, do you want to prepare your return together, in case of linked return, and then click Next. Please complete the spouse's information accurately. Now, let's move on to the Income tab to ensure accurate calculations for your tax return. Here's where you'll complete the T4 slips for both the husband and spouse. Now, the husband owes $15,591.96 in taxes, and the wife isn't receiving any refunds due to her lower income. To transfer tuition credits, navigate to the Deduction tab on the left side and find the wife's deduction subsection. Click on Deduction Profile. Answer yes to the question, last year, were you a student, having used tuition fees, or paying interest on a student loan? You'll now be in your student profile. Answer yes to were you a post-secondary student in the 2022 year? Let's complete the T2202 Tuition and Enrollment Certificate. Carefully fill in all the necessary information on the T2202 form. Includes details about the institution, program, and the amount of eligible tuition fees you've paid during the tax year. After completing this, don't forget to answer yes to are you transferring the tuition expenses, and click Next. Now, take a look at the husband's balance owing. It has decreased. Click on Detailed Tax Summary, and you'll see the spousal transfer, which shows the transferred amount of $5,000, the maximum transferable amount. And there you have it. That's how you can transfer tuition credits from your spouse or common law partner to reduce your tax liability. It's a smart way to make the most of these credits. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching.